Hello, welcome to freeexcellearn.com. Today I will discuss about various types of custom text and number format. On my previous video I actually discussed about several types of date format. Today I am now discussing custom text and number format. You see there, this is our actual data, and this actual data will be displayed by this way for only the custom formatting. Okay, so how can I do this type of custom format? Okay, so let's go for the real example. Suppose I write here 5.9. You see there, this is the 5.9, but if I want to display 5.9 feet by this way, so how can I do that? It's very simple. Just right click on it, go to format cell, then right here, then select custom, and in this custom format you will just write 0 0 point 0 space double inverted, and in this double inverted, as I want to see FT, so just write here FT. Now you see that the result is already appear here. Okay, this is 5.90 feet. Just click on OK. You see that this is the same position. Okay, same output. Okay, I am now going to show the next example. Suppose I write here again 5.9, but in this section I will display by this way. That is, I don't want to display this 0 before and after 0. I just want to see the space and FT. So just right click on it, click format cell, then go to custom, then just go to hash. Okay, and then full stop or point, then again double hash, and then a space, then double inverted, then FT. Okay, you see that your example or result is the same of previous. Okay, just click on OK. 5.9. From these two example, what we learned? We learned that if we use these 0 then it will display on result, but if you use hashtag, then it will display only the specific result, not before 0 and after 0. Okay, then I want to see the data on this way. That is, you see that this is 1200 million. Okay, right? Yes, 1200 million. Okay, or 1,200,000. Sorry, 1200 million. Okay, so how can I do that? It's very simple. Just write here 1 2, and the 0 is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And now I want to see this by 1.2 million. So just right click on it, go to format cell, and in this format cell go to custom, and then just clear it. In here you will just write 0.0. This is now the output, but actually I use comma. because the comma is used for 1000. Okay, so I just give 1 comma. You see that 1000 is now in reduce. 30 is reduced now. Okay, and if I want, or if I write another comma, another 3 digit 0 will be reduced. So I give another comma. So you see that this is now 1.2. Okay, that is every comma decrease 3 digit or 0. Okay, then just write as I want to see million, so I just write double inverted, and in this double inverted I just mention M, that means million, and just click OK. Now you see that this is now 1.2 million, just like before. Okay, now I want to see you or show you the data like this way. Suppose this is 124. I just write here 124, but I will display this 124 like this way. Suppose I want to display this 124 greater than before taka. Okay, and this is like that. If you shrink it, it will be reduced, but there is no problem that how much you reduce, it will be just enclose each other. Okay, so how can I do that? And there is another remarkable thing, that is there is a space before this taka. You see there, sorry, you see there is a space, and also after 0 sorry, there is also a space. Okay, so how can I do that? Just right click on it, format cell, and then go to custom. Okay, and in here I just tell you something, that actually I want to see taka. Okay, so just write double inverted taka. Okay, sorry, not yaka, taka. Then I want to give this sign, that is greater than sign. Okay, so I write greater than sign. So this is now like this, but one thing will be display, I just mention it later, and then I want to see the amount. Okay, so I can write here 0.00. Okay, so this is now like that. If I just click on OK, you see that this is not full like that, it just a few of the same. Okay, because there is not enough this type of symbol between this taka and the digit or number. Okay, and so I just solve it first. Just right click on it again, and I will just write here a star. Okay, a star. For this star, I just told again, for this star, this greater than sign will be enough. That is how much needed it will be show. Okay, just click on OK. You see that now this is the position of like that. So what is the meaning of this star? It will create enough thing after the start symbol. That is, this is the start symbol, and after that I use this symbol. So this symbol will be more. Okay, that is, when you use a symbol after a start, this will be more and more. Okay, but there is a not, this is not fulfill my requirement, because there is a space before taka and after 00. So for this I write here a underscore, and if I want to use this underscore, I must use the first parenthesis. So after, before this first parenthesis, this space will be used. If you use only the underscore, it will not work. Okay, so you must use a first parenthesis, and you actually want a space after this 0. So what will you do? You will give the last parenthesis, and after that you will use the underscore. Okay, so sorry, just this and this. Okay, so that is, before this you will be use this format, after space you will be use this format. And if you now click OK, you see that there is a space before this taka and there is a space after this 00. Okay, if you now increase the size, it will be increased. There is no problem. Okay, okay. Now I want to show you the percentage example. So for this percentage example, I just right click on it. Sorry, before this I just entered the value and then right click on it, format cell, and then go to custom, and then just give a hash, and then I will use 00 and then give the percentage. Okay, you see that, sorry, 223, sorry, 22.3. you see that this is now the position. Okay, okay, I will show you the another example of the country code or mobile number code example. So I just write here the digit, and then just right click on it, format cell, and in format cell go to custom, and then as this is my fixed data, okay, so I will just use first parenthesis and last parenthesis. In this parenthesis I will be use 555, and this is my fixed data. Okay, after that I will use 3 middle and last 4. Okay, so I give hash 3 and then a dash and give 4 hash last and click on OK. You see that this is that like this. Okay, so I am just now stopping my this video, and I will discuss my rest of the video on my next tutorial. Thank you.